Tackle pet hair, dust, and everyday messes with the Bissell MultiClean Pet Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful suction, pet-friendly features, and easy maneuverability make every cleaning session faster and more efficient.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Bissell MultiClean Pet Vacuum Cleaner, crevice tool, pet tool, vacuum hose, handle,
And user manual.
How to use: attach the wand to the base, then twist the hose clockwise until it locks securely into the machine. Attach the hose clip and install the desired cleaning tools. When extending the wand, stop at the yellow mark and never pull past the red mark to prevent damage. Turn the vacuum on and switch on the brush roll for carpet cleaning. Select the appropriate carpet type setting, then step on the base and pull the handle back to recline for cleaning. The brush roll automatically stops when the vacuum is locked upright. For above-floor cleaning, release the extension wand or twist the hose counterclockwise to remove it from the handle, attach the desired tool, and press the rewind button when finished to retract the power cord. Maintenance: turn the vacuum off and unplug it before performing any maintenance. Empty the dirt tank after use, remove and rinse the cyclone separator and pre-motor filters with water, and then allow them to dry completely for 24 hours before reinstalling. Wipe the inside of the dirt tank with a clean cloth, clean debris from the post-motor filter and housing without rinsing, and regularly inspect the brush roll and belt for dirt, free movement, or damage before reinstalling them.
Smart features?
Delivers strong, consistent suction to remove embedded dirt, dust, and stubborn pet hair from carpets and hard floors. It provides a deep, thorough clean while maintaining reliable performance throughout your home. Prevents hair from wrapping around the brush roll while effectively lifting pet hair, dirt, and debris from floors. This reduces maintenance and keeps the vacuum performing at its best. Captures dust, allergens, and pet dander inside the vacuum to help prevent them from escaping back into the air. It promotes cleaner indoor air and a healthier home environment. Detaches from the main vacuum to provide lightweight, portable cleaning for stairs, upholstery, and other above-floor surfaces. It makes it easy to reach hard-to-clean areas without moving the entire vacuum. Built-in LED lights help reveal dust and pet hair in dark corners, under furniture, and along edges. The included tools make it easy to clean tight spaces, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach areas. Retracts the power cord automatically with the press of a button for fast, hassle-free storage. It keeps the cord neatly organized and helps prevent tangles after every use.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Bissell MultiClean Pet Vacuum Cleaner from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bissell MultiClean Pet Vacuum Cleaner. See you at the next one.